one, once again I'm using a tag base, but I'm going to use it as a little wee notepad. So I've got the lines running, probably what I'd call vertically, but we're going to use it this way. And all we're going to do is fold over this top, so we'll go this way round. So we will score it at 4 inches and 4 1/8. So just using 1/8 for the spine on this one. So we will fold that one over and reinforce that again. And it's always more difficult to do that second one. So this is essentially going to be like a topless pad. That's what we call them here in New Zealand. Anyway, where it's got no front, but does have like a back, so they will sit like that. I'm going to do a binding that is legible, so that means that you, as you write on a page, you can untie it and then take off the page and then also refill it once it's all empty. So they are all boxed up. Then we are going to, they're all going to fit through there. I'm going to centre up that hole over the top of there and go through there. That's one. And then do that again. Two. So that's got a hole in it now. And these ones I am particularly doing a larger hole because it will make it easier with this being a replaceable or changeable type of binding system. So have I managed? Oh, look at that, perfectly aligned almost. Yeah, near enough. And then in here, so I'm lining that up there. There. And one. Make sure I'm holding that one firm. Now you could of course do a template for this and not eyeball it like I am, but yeah, I'm living dangerously. And there, that's lined up with there, so going through again, 1, 2, so now we have that, and that, and there we have our holes. So let me just grab some ribbon to tie that up with. Let's double to there. And there we go, simple bow to hold it closed, and you've got lined in pages in there. So that's just a matter of, the hardest part, to be honest, is getting the holes through there and lining it all up. Everything else is pretty simple.